Hey guys, got a 2016 plate Hyundai Tucson here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition is turned on or the engine on. And then we're going to use the screen on the dash in front of the steering wheel and the buttons on the right hand side. So from here, we're going to press the menu button a few times till we get to settings at the end, and clicking OK on driving assist, and scroll down couple until you get to autonomous emergency brake. So if you want it off, just make sure that box is unchecked. If you want it on, make sure it's ticked. And that's just going to help you. So if there's a car in front of you and it brakes and you don't brake in time and you don't see it, the car will brake by itself.